I am a choosing. I am a choosing. I am a choosing. Who are you? I am a choosing. Are you a choosing? I am a choosing. Who are you? DJ, bring it down. Good night. Good night. Because I don't know why they go book us for 1 day, so you don't day show for 2 days. All the new joke person plan come, but she never tire. How much you pay where you here by this time? Since 7 p.m. Go home now, go home. Just keep us for backstage since. Now I like me like this now, I won't be the portable of comedy. Nobody can keep me for backstage long. I go down para. You know what? You know Jesus. So I come backstage, come back, once I come say I come here. What I got there? Look at you, not touch you. Because nobody they actually watch this Big Brother. Now they watch this Big Brother. If they all make we watch Big Brother, make they put portable for the house. Now that the Big Brother go come out, show shiri. Imagine portable day Big Brother house. Big Brother go just say portable. Kilo jele. Report to the diary room. You know what? I come back say go. Imagine portable for diary session. Portable go just sit down. Big Brother go just say portable. What is the problem? Portable go reply. Big Brother, what if I tell you? They won't sell us you. They don't share money. They don't give me you. If they don't give money tomorrow, even this joke why they crack now. If you come with tomorrow, can you Blaq? You won't rip me new. This country, this Nigeria only go help us. Country where suppose share mad people. Make everybody get different, like Angola, may they get, Canada, may they get, different people, may they get. Only us get mad people, very dark man, Bobrisky, Odumi, all of us, one country. But you could just wake up one morning, don't play. Are you going to learn? Are you going to learn the hard way? One person. Only for this same country, we don't do Mother's Day because Mommy of Lagos go jail. Only and go. This same country, but you could just wake up in the morning. I'm the liquid matter. Hey boy. Testimonies. Wherever she is, that one will just come from back. DJ, play number calling. Will just come. Play. Volume.
Don't be say I decrease, now God I dey praise.
Don't be say I decrease, now God I dey praise.
Don't be say I decrease, now God I dey praise.
When I felt like giving up, when I felt like all hope is gone, people say make I give up on my God, but I can never give up on my God. My God is
President General among the nations. President General among the nations.
We salute you,
President General among the nations.
President
General among the nations.
The day they call me for interview, my interview was 7 a.m. the next day. I find sleep that night, I no see sleep. Sleep will come around 4 a.m. I say, devil, the number you are calling is not available.
The number you are calling is not available.
You better delete my number and never call me again.
The number you are calling is not available.
The number you are calling is not available.
The number you are calling is not available.
My God, as I dey baff around 4:30, now in the park come bring glass. As I come outside, on my room they cold. Now I say make I close my eyes small. And I open my eyes now 2 p.m. If now you be your girl, say you no go down close. I don't know whether make I cry. I begin to shout for my village people. I say,
What is it? Haven't you done enough? What is it? Haven't you done enough? The pain, the torment, the torture. The pain, the torment, the torture.
After coming to this church, after pastor prayed for me, I am now a CEO. If I start to count my blessings, I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. 8. I feel they go now, Abi. I feel they go now, Abi. One more, Abi. One more. Single ladies in the house, make some noise. Hey, bros, are you mad? Put your hands together for the DJ. Are you okay now? Now, let me say, Baba, I can't drive all the way from Orchid. Come here and I can't give me 5 minutes. I be make her go. Now when I can't talk about single lady, you can't pursue me. Will I be single for life? Ladies, if I'm your spec, make some noise. Bros, why you the leak lip? Who are you? How do you form? How dare you? My dear, I want to tell you guys why I'm still single and I live here. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't try for this work. DJ, eh? You say, waiting. You say, eh? Eh? Rema. Baba, when I say I don't get time, when I see they ask for popular demand, no worry. Let us do the freestyle. Next time we go do them. You know, see them. Because God don't get a particular joke we want make up perform. But I don't tire. But she must still try. Must still try. First of all, I'm going to clap for Rema. Hold on. Ladies and gentlemen, it's not easy for Afrobeats to leave Nigeria, leave Africa, leave America, enter India. Now them call India. Now them call Rema. India has called Rema. Say, hello, can I be on to Remal? They say, who is that? He say, Remal. As Rema enter India, now 2 girls, they sing a song. Baby, come down. Get this your body, put them out for lockdown. Now 2 ladies say that. As Asake ye, how much they pay Rema? Now Asake call them for India. Mama, wow. They say, Asake, what do you want to sing? They say, Asake reach India. They sing, oh, Lord, Bonju, oh, bon. The only dance they dance now this one. Now you know of the show, call him. Asake, come. Aladdin me, Asake, come. You come to Mumbai, you sing, oh, Lord, Bonju. Can't you see, oh, Lord, Bonju? Oh, say, oh, Lord, Bonju, and Shea Falafel, Ori. As I can say, what will I do now? He say, when you come to Mumbai, you perform like Mumbai. I say, okay, I say, I've sung all my songs. He said, no, there is one song you've not sung. Yogar. I be on my way, Yogar. Make nobody kill my Yogar. Look at your neighbor, say neighbor. Say neighbor. Yogar. DJ, last one. Yogar, I be on my way. Make nobody kill my Yogar. All of the day massacre. Enemies, I get them too much. It's better to get them surplus. Who got there for you, not gonna take off. What you tell, let it go. Ha! What can fire, my lover. What can fire, stick balance. Alubarika, para para, arasa que batala. All of the day massacre.